Welcome to third standard social class video session. In today's session, we are going to learn about freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn some more freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Many freedom fighters from Tamil Nadu made their contribution to India's freedom. Let us learn about them. Let us write. Name the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Here you saw the two pictures of freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. You will identify and write their name. The first image shows Veerapandiya Kattabomman. Veerapandiya Kattabomman was an 18th century Tamil Palayaka and chieftain in Tamil Nadu, India. He refused to accept the rule of the British East India Company and waged a war against them. He was captured by the British with the help of the ruler of the kingdom of Pudukottai, Vijaya Raghunatha Thondaiman, and at the age of 39, he was hanged at Kayattar on 16th October 1799. The second picture shows Velu Nachiyar. Rani Velu Nachiyar was a queen of Sivaganga estate from 1780 to 1790. She was the first Indian queen to wage war with East Indian Company in India. She is known by Tamil as Veeramangai, which means a brave woman. Let us learn more information about Subramania Siva and Tirupur Kumaran through a conversation. Meena. Then I learned about Subramania Siva. Mother. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. Meena. Yes, mom. He was born in Dindakkal and was very passionate about Tamil. Which is the birthplace of Subramania Siva? Is Dindakkal. Mother. Subramania Siva started a monthly newspaper called Jnanabanu. He wrote many books, namely Ramanuja Vijayam, Shankara Vijayam, and so on. Meena. He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. This angered the British and they sent him to jail. Mother. Even though he was in the jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement. Meena. Oh, really? Let us know. Subramania Siva closely worked with V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Bharati in freedom movement. The collector office of Dindakkal district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. Next we are going to learn about the freedom fighter Tirupur Kumaran in detail. Mother. Did you learn about Tirupur Kumaran? Meena. Of course. He was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement. Mother. Yes, Meena. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. It inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle. Meena. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. Mother. You are right. So, Tirupur Kumaran also called as Kodikatha Kumaran. Meena. I am very much inspired after knowing all these freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Mother. Yes, their patriotism towards India and their contribution to independence can never be forgotten. Do you know, children, what does mean patriotism and contribution? Contribution, which refers join or take part. Patriotism, which means love and respect towards one's country. It is referred as patriotism. Meena. They inspire and motivate us to be better citizens and serve our country. Mother, you are right. Let us know. In this picture, you saw Lakshmi Sahal was the revolutionary of Indian independence movement. She was an officer of the Indian National Army. She is commonly called Captain Lakshmi. Let us recall this lesson. Many freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu made a contribution to India's freedom. Subramania Bharati was a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. B.O. Chidambaram is also called Kappalottiya Tamilan. Senbagaraman, he coined the slogan Jai Hind. Tirupur Kumaran, you all know about it, is also called Kodikatha Kumaran. Do you know, children, where was Bharati born? He was born on Ettapuram. Das is known as the Kappalottiya Tamilan is V.O. Chidambaram. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind is Senbagaraman. Who started a monthly newspaper Jnanabanu? The answer is Subramania Siva. I hope you got clear information about freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.